Hey, Colleen here. And, I've heard from a lot of you that you think that web accessibility is too specialized. Well, it might seem like a specialty now, but that's because so few web designers and web developers are actually doing it. But there's huge demand for this, and it's the law in many cases. But web accessibility is really a deeper understanding of web development. When you learn how to make a website accessible, you actually create a better website, a better design, a better user experience, and it's a website that reaches more people and it can get better results for your clients. And that helps their reputation and that helps them increase their revenue as well. And isn't that what your websites should be doing in the first place? Shouldn't you be building your clients a site that helps their business? Because when you don't build an accessible site, you're only potentially reaching about 80% of your client's audience. So, what do you think of accessibility? Are you doing it? Are you intimidated by it? Are you ignoring it? Because it's not going to go away. It's only becoming more prevalent. Like I said, it's been a law and it's been a law for decades. So, I want to hear from you. Give me a comment below and let me know if where you are with accessibility.